everyone. My name is Jamie Willett. I'm a consultant with Encryption Consulting, and today we are going to be looking at how you can integrate an existing Luna or DPOD HSM with CodeSign Secure. Let's talk first about how CodeSign Secure interfaces with your Luna HSM. Luna HSMs have a feature called partitions, which store keys and data. Because of the functionality of this feature, it is perfectly possible to create a new partition for which CodeSign Secure and only CodeSign Secure has access. This convenient separation of keys will allow you to keep your existing HSM's keys and existing applications keys separate from the same key space that CodeSign Secure uses. If you are limited on partitions, CodeSign Secure can also interface with the same partition that another piece of software is using. CodeSign Secure maintains its own database of keys, which we can see here, separate from the actual keys visible on the HSM. Now, the keys on the CodeSign Secure database are actually in the HSM. This is just a list of handles. Anything not in this database will not be accessible by clients of CodeSign Secure. CodeSign Secure acts as a middleman between the HSM and your clients, controlling access to the keys and allowing for additional functionality, such as role-based access control and other features. Signing still occurs on the HSM, and keys will never leave it. However, the keys on the HSM are not intrinsically visible to all clients of CodeSign Secure. That is completely controllable by the platform. Because your existing keys for PKI or other functions in the same partition as CodeSign Secure are not inside this list of key handles, clients will not be able to access them. This makes sure that your keys are not at risk of being compromised, regardless of application. However, if you would rather have increased security, you can limit the partition that CodeSign Secure is accessing to only CodeSign Secure by creating an additional partition on your Luna HSM and setting up that partition with CodeSign Secure. We're going to add a Luna Cloud or DPOD HSM. You'll need to use the username that you connect to Luna's web portal with, the host name where the HSM is stored, and the client name that you set up in your config file. Once you've added this, you will have a working Luna HSM. Your Luna HSM will be able to do all of the functionality needed for CodeSign Secure. CodeSign Secure lets you leverage your existing HSM or Cloud HSM service to perform additional functions with only the cost of the CodeSign Secure software. Without CodeSign Secure or a similar code signing application, your organization may be subject to reputational damage. To prevent your organization from falling into this pitfall, code signing is an important application to have as part of your development process. In order to meet these needs, CodeSign Secure integrates easily with the tools and hardware that you already have, such as your Luna HSM. It also integrates seamlessly into your CI/CD pipelines and with the tools you already use, having integrations with Microsoft Sign Tool, Jar Signer, and many other applications. If you are interested in demoing our code signing solution with your existing hardware or equivalent hardware, please contact Encryption Consulting. We can schedule a demo and give you an opportunity to try our tool in your environment to see if it works for you.